Hello everyone, welcome back to Yodo. Today we are going to show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy A31. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray, then followed by the battery cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. Carefully work around on edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cutpipe tool and gently cut the adhesive. Take out the back cover and undo 15 screws on the rear cover frame. Using a plastic cutpipe tool creates an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on edges to separate the plastic clips. Take out the frame and disconnect the battery connector. And on the bottom PCB board, first unplug the fingerprint sensor connector and both connectors on the main flex cable and also the antenna. Then undo one more screw on the bottom right to take out the board, including the charger port and the headphone jack. Just a quick note, if you are experiencing charging or headphone jack issue, this is the part you need to replace. Replace the new charging and headphone jack board and connect the main flex cable, antenna and fingerprint sensor connector. And also do not forget to connect the battery connector as well. Restore the rear cover frame followed by the SIM tray. Make sure it is tightened enough and insert all 15 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.